FSD Beta is rapidly improving, as the programmers, and AI, continue development. The issues you see highlighted here, are in no way indicative of the system's overall capabilities.
Just doesn't like that intersection at all. It doesn't do well at that. Again, had to intervene.
Go re-enable it, see if it can make it there now. Yep, that was pretty sure I was gonna hit that car. Okay. Not ideal.
Wasn't gonna get it, or if it was starting to swing out wide, but it was also accelerating into it, and so was gonna miss it. Yeah. It was gonna.
Let's see how the car reacts to this. People taking photos in the middle of the street. Okay. Alright, being very, very careful, very cautious. I think it's gonna drive over, yeah, it's gonna drive over a traffic cone. It's not a traffic cone, but it's like someone smashed into it, and it's just whatever is left of the traffic cone. And I obviously don't want to drive there, so taking over. Definitely better than version 9.2, and it might have made that, but it was going too quick. It should have slowed down. Version 9.2 made it. Version 9.1 did not make that.
Okay, I'm just gonna let it do it. I'm just gonna let it do it. Oh, and okay, we've just gone completely over those curbs. I just let it do it. I sacrificed my car and my insurance for you boys.
So they should stop. We should yield. And if it goes too fast, I'm gonna. Yep, that one felt like it was. I did that the last time too. It felt too close to that roundabout.
In any case, we've got a left turn programmed in the planner. Creeping forward for visibility. Definitely a different creeping behavior for me. It definitely feels like it's trying to inch a little bit, but okay, it needs to stop and take a look there. Okay, good, it stopped. Oh wait, it should be clear now. I'm leaning forward as far as I can. Now I can see a car coming. It needs to stop or, okay, there it needs to stop. And now that poor guy had to go around me. So that was not good. Those cars that are opposing here were tapping their brakes. Okay, now there's a large gap right now. It can't go all the way. All right, there's a car coming. I had to get out to the right because it was too far into the lane. Okay, so that one, it did the unfortunate situation of waiting in the middle of oncoming traffic.
So that was a bad job of creeping. It was going too fast.
Oh gosh. Okay. It like had trouble figuring out which lane to take here.
Blinker on, going onto the left lane. It is stopping before getting into the intersection. That's fine. There's a car coming, another one. Okay, and it should be able to go. Okay, it's going. Where are you going? Okay, I'm taking over. It was going in the wrong direction, so.
And it's just sitting here at the light thinking that it can't turn because these are yield blinking lights. So I'm gonna hit the throttle a little bit. and now it knows it can go.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Oh, we're
no.
going down the railroad tracks.
Oh no, we are not trying to go down the railroad tracks today, unfortunately.
Perfect. It waited for the pedestrians. Light turned red. It came right up to the stop line. Perfect. Whoa. Okay. It was attempting to go through the red light. Now it may have stopped, but we're already into the crosswalk, which we shouldn't be. So I disengaged there.
It didn't get it in 9.0 or 9.1 either. And so I thought that maybe, you know, okay, it needs to not go now because it's a yellow light.
And so I should not go through this. It's turned yellow. Wow, it's about to run a red light. Okay. I haven't had that happen in several versions where it tried to run a red light.
Yep, it's trying to go. We shouldn't be going. Yeah, it did. There's a sign that says no turn on red, and it tried to go on red. So that's not good. Okay, let me set up another destination since we're waiting at.
It's actually creeping better. This is how I would like it to go. This is better. This is good.
You did a good job.
Yeah, that's... And it was about to run a red light. Nice. Okay. That's not okay. Get on it, get in the lane. You gotta be kidding me! This is so much worse! It missed a turn again! And this is so disappointing. Again, I'm gonna be honest, it's worse. Version 10, Beta 10 is unequivocally worse than Beta 9.2.
Let's see how it does on round 2. Whoa. Okay, we were supposed to turn right there. Tesla did a little bit of a hiccup. Now we're continuing straight. Swerving a little bit. Now it wants me to go on the freeway and go back around, so I'm gonna actually cancel that so I can stay in the city. Alright,
I'm not sure if I was recording that drive, but it missed a turn last time. That was a disengagement, guys. That one we did that last time. This update so far is not better. If anything, it is worse.
So we're completely blocked with trees here. Look at how slow it's creeping. This is so good. So there is a car on the left. There's cars on the right. It's responding perfectly. There's actually more cars on the right. Stopping and rolling. This is exactly what I would do as a driver. Exactly. It is now clear on the left and on the right. And it worked perfect.
But I think the robustness point is especially important in my eyes, and let me explain what I mean by robustness. So there's one thing which I think is especially notable and unsatisfying in neural network supervision, is that they make these mistakes that a human being would never make. So we spoke earlier about the ImageNet dataset and about training neural networks to recognize the images in things. And you